How to use Zillow Rental Manager. So, for a little explanation, Zillow over here is an online platform that pretty much just lets maybe landlords list or manage and even rent out properties from a single dashboard. But with that in mind, to begin, you can just go ahead and get yourself an account. You could create or sign in with your Zillow account. So you could either sign up, use your email, but you can choose whichever option that allows you to choose. But once you've logged in, you will be able to see your dashboard, including the properties. You can add one if you'd like, some leads over here, messages. So it will just directly connect to a customer or whichever kind of people you're going for, even payments, all in your Zillow rental manager. So once the listing is complete, you can publish it across Zillow, Chowella, or even Hotbeds to reach lots of renters, either for free or with optional paid upgrades for more exposure. So prospective renters can view your listing and send inquiries or applications directly through the Zillow Rental Manager. So after your listing is live, Zillow Rental Manager lets you review tenant application, run background and credit checks, and even create or send lease agreements. So that's all done digitally in Zillow. So you can also collect rent payments online, which we pretty much just mentioned. You can track payment status from your dashboard or even the mobile app. So with that in mind, it's pretty much just automatic reminders. So that is sent to tenants. And additionally, the app pretty much lets you manage the listings, respond to inquiries, and update property details on the go. So it makes it easier to stay on basically the top of your rentals anywhere you pretty much are. So that's the general idea on how Zillow over here works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.